Hi my superstars, hi my angels. I'm back with another video. So today's video I have a Kurt Geiger unboxing right here, you guys. If that's something that you're interested in, go ahead, stick with me, like this video as well as subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime whenever I upload. I recently was at Maur and I went ahead and picked up some beauties for my collection. I couldn't resist Kurt Geiger, you guys. Maur had such great prices on Kurt Geiger bags. It was like they were giving them away, okay? So I couldn't resist, and between Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack and Maur, they always have the best Kurt Geiger London bags in my opinion. So I picked up this beauty right here, and she comes in two lovely sizes. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. So this is the way she came packaged, and you know how normally the box will be flat and you have to open the lid this way? This beauty came in a rather tall box, so she came this way. And here she is right here. I'm so excited. I'm always excited about doing unboxings, you guys. So this is my beauty right here, and this is the way she came. So I know you know from the thumbnail and the way the package looks, you've already figured out what she is. But this time around, I went with the lovely Kurt Geiger recyclable shopper tote. And I absolutely am gonna love this bag. I love her. She came in so many different colors, you guys. While I do the unboxing, I figured it would be a good idea if we just went ahead and reviewed and talked about some Kurt Geiger bags. So there were so many there. I enjoyed browsing so much while I was there and window shopping. And they had a tie-dye Kurt Geiger that was just so, that's their newest one. That's their newest and latest Kurt Geiger bag, is the tie-dye version of the bag. They also had a beautiful beige Kensington that was so lovely. You all know the Kensington, the XXL, extra large Kensington comes in so many different beautiful colors. It comes in black. They had a beautiful beige extra large Kensington that I thought was so beautiful and neutral, a neutral bag. But I picked up the large size recycled tote right here, and in the lovely blue color. So let's go ahead and unveil this beauty. Oh, look at that. This color is so beautiful. Another thing that I love about Kurt Geiger bags is the fact that you get the nylon as well as the leather. So this is a nylon tote and it's so beautiful. And then you get leather right here. For the price for nylon and leather, you can't resist that, you guys. Look at all that beautiful leather at the bottom of this bag. I don't know, I love blue leather. I think it's just so beautiful. So beautiful. So there were so many other beautiful bags while I was there in Kurt Geiger. If you're not a big girl bag person and you want a smaller bag, they had a lovely camera bag that was so pretty in rainbow, the beautiful rainbow color. As well as they have so many of these Kurt Geiger crossbodies with coin purse. That comes in so many lovely colors that you could go ahead and enjoy for the summertime. I think it's so nice to enjoy some of these metallic colors and some of these shiny vinyls and nylon bags. And then, you know, in the wintertime, I'll go back to more darker colors, more warm hues for autumn and winter. But for the summertime, these colors are just so beautiful. So pretty. So I love this tote and I think it's gonna look so nice. And when the pandemic was happening, I really wasn't carrying a lot of large bags. Well, the pandemic is still happening, but early on in the pandemic, I really wasn't carrying a lot of larger bags. So I wanted to go ahead and I did add some smaller bags to my collection because really I'm a big bag girl, like this large tote right here. But over the pandemic, I was really using smaller bags. And now that everything is a little bit more opened up, I decided to go ahead and purchase a few larger bags because I could use them as work bags. And this is definitely one of them right here that I will be able to use as a work bag. So I will have all the dimensions for her down below, but the color is just so metallic and bright and blue and beautiful. One of the Kurt Geiger bags that I thought was super pretty that you can't resist, it's not shearling, but it's like a teddy bear quilted bag. It's like a teddy bear faux fur Kurt Geiger, and it's in the extra large size too. That's a gorgeous bag. And once again, like I said, I'm going to have all the bags linked down below, and their sale prices are just incredible. It's like they were giving them away. So we have to go ahead and pick up a few of them, you guys, because I don't know when they're going to have some of these low prices again on the website at Von Maur. They a lot of times have the full prices on them, but right now they did have quite a few sales, quite a few reductions. Like they had the regular prices, and then they had a slash through the regular prices, and then they had the sale price for the item and for the bag. So here is my lovely recycled shopper tote by Kurt Geiger, and she's so pretty. The beautiful leather at the bottom. To get that for this price is just really incredible. And then the straps are leather as well. Such a comparable bag, comparable to like an MCM tote or any other shopping tote. The Kurt Geiger shopping tote is such a nice bag. And let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. And then you have beautiful leather at the top. And you would think that this is just an open tote with no zip. But actually, if you look right here, she is zipped. She does have a zip closure. So you can go ahead and zip her closed. Go ahead and zip her closed. You see how she could close? So like if you're driving and you make a quick stop and you have this bag in the passenger seat, everything won't go falling out on the floor. Plus, just for security, you can go ahead and zip her closed or leave her open. So this is what she looks like when she's zipped open right there. And she has the nylon up there as well, but you could zip her open or close. And then she comes with her large dust cover right here. So you get a rather large dust cover bag for her. And I'll go ahead and take out the stuffing so we can take a look at the interior. This is such a beautiful color. The colors that they had these totes in were so beautiful. I couldn't resist, you guys. So let's stay tuned to my channel for more Kurt Geiger unboxings coming up really soon. Because like I said, I couldn't resist some of these beauties to go ahead and add them to my collection. And I'll have all of them linked down below with the prices so you can check them out. So they'll be really easy for you to find. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the lovely interior of this bag. And the good thing is that it also comes with snaps along the side right here so that you can go ahead and access the bag. It comes with snaps that you can snap and unsnap the side hinge of the bag to make the tote even that much more larger and expanded so that you can really get down in there. And that's what the interior look like. Look at how much space you have to go ahead and use this as a work bag. It has a side pocket right there, trimmed in leather, just beautiful. And then it has a zip pocket along this side right here as well. So this is a really nice tote bag that you will be able to carry all of your belongings, and you can use this for travel. You can use it in the summertime for travel or just about anything. So I just wanted to go ahead and talk to you ladies about this lovely Kurt Geiger bag. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my Von Maur shopping video. And I'll see you ladies soon in another video.